Good morning, students. Welcome to your art session. Today, our topic will be mandala art. But before beginning our drawing, I am going to explain you what mandala art is. It is an ancient art. The word mandala was derived from Sanskrit and it means circle. In mandala art, we use different kind of geometrical shapes and symbols to do the drawing. It was very famous in Hindu art as well as in Buddhist art. Now I'm going to draw one very easy and a basic mandala drawing for you, and you're going to follow it. But I will be giving you 6 different designs for mandala art, and you can choose out of them which one you have to draw. It's just me giving you a demo on what mandala art is and what kind of symbols or geometrical shapes we use in mandala art. I have this sheet in which I have already drawn the circles. These are six circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now I am going to draw with different symbols. Let's start. As you can see these 6 circles, but I am going to use my black pen so that you can also see, and I am going to trace them. It will be easier for you. These while doing this mandala art, we use pens, basically black pens we use for this art. If you find it easier, you can draw it with pencil first and then you can outline it, and you can even color them. Okay, let me finish the outlines of these circles. As you can see, I have already completed my outline for the circles. Now I am going to start the patterns. Now we have to make sure that whatever pattern we are using, for example here I am going to make these semicircles. Okay, so I will be repeating each here. Okay, so it is very repetitive thing. You have to be very careful while you are drawing. Okay, so now I want I'm going to repeat this. I did not have my sketch pen, so that's why I'm doing this with pen. You can use sketch pen if you want, or if you have ball pen, you can do that. It is your choice. After your designing is done, you can even color it, but different colors. And if you use different colored pens to even for the drawing, it will bring out very nice effect. So it is your choice however you want to make it. This is just a demo for me. Now I am moving to the other circle. I believe if I want to add, I can add anything here, but for now I'm going to do another pattern here. I will be going like this. So I'm going to continue this till here. So this pattern is also completed, but I am going to add something here like this. So you can do any amount of things you wish. This is done. Now here in center of this, so I'm going to be before moving further to the this circle. So I have another pattern that I want to make here, but before that I will be using my marker and I will be filling up few spaces. For example, I have filled out these. Now I want to fill here also. See? I'm filling up the spaces, but I'm going to use pen and this. I need thick line here. I will be connecting here, here, here. See? So now I am going to draw lines here. I'm going to make few triangles. Now my last step is going to be so using this line, I'll know which area I have to color using my marker. If you don't want to use marker, that is up to you. If you want, then it is a very excellent filler, I could say that. Okay. I'll go this. I'm going to do the same with all the triangles. Then I will show you what to do next. Let me finish this first. As you can see, I have completed my design. So now I am going to share 6 designs with you. You have to copy them. So we are not going to color these designs. We are only going to do the pen work for them. It is going to be just a practice for you. Okay? Thank you for your watching.